I am going to do the V shape. Again, Premium's eye hole chamfer foil for this second look. Here under LED light for 30 seconds. I draw like a V shape. And I am going to use this. Really sunny. Hi Jiggy, how are you? Is Baby Ray? Hello. Ivy Sarah, how are you? Spamolix, absolutely. So it doesn't matter how you want to do it. I can place completely this one, but then you don't seeing it. There you go. Let me do this. Oop. I can't want this part though, but I do want this. But I want this. Oh, whatever. Doesn't matter. Whatever you want, okay? I'm just place them on. And if you don't want to chamfers over there, then what you need to do is just don't put the chamfer foil on the side of that. It might have the residue stay on there, but I'm not worried about it because I'm going to dress it up really nicely. Ah. Good. Look, this one I didn't apply it on, but I'm not worried about because I am gonna dress it out with my crystal, so I'm completely not worried about it. So let's go right into my condensed glue gel. Again, I am going to apply it on the nails. That's is how it happened. That if you have the first time, if you're using condensed glue gel, it's normally it's gonna be kind of a thick density. You just need to blend it out. Okay, close the cap. I do really like it. Stunning. And no white top coat. There's no white top coat, and Kia condensed glue gel will help so much to grab the base of the crystal and kind of suck it into the nails. So it's gonna keep the nails stay nice place without coming off. It's really stunning. I really like this one. Up. That's what I want right there. Right there. I'm gonna go using yellow. Again, I'm still working on Easter mix bag right now, just to let you know. Just in case you have the Easter mix bag, which is congratulations for the winners for not last night. Yes, last night we're gonna announce who's the winner of the cute mini giveaway. Last night. Is it fun? Would you like to play it again? We do it because it's for you, because you get all of your ideas, you can get to it turn in. And I'm gonna move this one because I couldn't see it from far away. Why it's so weird? Because I'm far away from my nails. I can't see my nails at all. Yes, bye Molix. You can call us anytime, sweetie. You don't know how much I appreciate every single of you and how much I love to, in order to be behind the scene and help every single of you to be much more successful. I say much more successful. You already successful, you can do more, because guess what? The more you create, the more you can do for people and help out people out. Even like help yourself, help people surround you, like anybody around you that you would care. Like even any like tip and trick when you talk to your bestie who is a nail tech from a different state. Give her some cool tip and trick that you just learned something, or you know, really sharing it with them and take, so then they can take even like one tip and trick to do any single thing. Really make a difference for all of us. I'm always open learning every single day, and I learn from all of my staff. I learn from all of you. I learn from my student. I learn from Mary. I even learned it from my kids. So the younger generation, they are so genius. They are learning so quick and fast about crazy like social media, anything. I will pick up and learn, like even though I'm slow, but I can, you know, like suck it in and learn it. So that is, so I'm gonna go in and using the gold beads. Oh, it looks stunning though.
Thank you for calling Glitz Nail Bar and Spa. Our business hours are Monday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. If you wish to discuss us during business hours, please leave us a detailed message and we'll get back to you as soon.
I'm gonna place them right between. Everything. So here's a tip and trick for all the beginners. If you are first time doing crystal placement, or you are been doing it and you are not sure you're doing it like good and okay, place a crystal tight and close together as possible. It's always a connecting together nicely. So the closer you get, the better, the longer the crystal gonna last, and the better the design's gonna look. So it doesn't look like it's separate out. The reason I just want a little bit of the yellow, because the yellow is such a really bright colors. This is my Easter. I've been collecting it so I can do more. Let me clean that one up. Can you pick that one top? I must have one more pickers out there. Okay. so obsessed with this. Ah, look good. Just that. The little charm.